Magluluto tayo ng pork and mushroom pasta. Ito na po, ready na po yung pork natin. Now we'll do is add the cream. Ayan. Pack muna. Then, ano natin, mix. Para hindi mamuo-muo. Become more creamy. And we'll add more. So guys, very creamy. Very creamy pork and mushroom pasta sauce. Sarap yan guys. Yan na guys, ang aking creamy mushroom pasta. Ayan. Sarap-sarap yan guys. Oh. Ito na. Umuusok-usok pa. Tara po. Kain tayo. Kain-kain. Sarap yan guys. Oh. Spicy, creamy mushroom, pork and mushroom pasta. Tara, kain na tayo. Kain. It's good?
Super tender.
Super tender, yes. Ito na siya guys, oh. My creamy, spicy pork and mushroom pasta. Tara, kain.